Have you ever found yourself wondering, how can I make more friends and influence people positively? Well, today is your lucky day. We are diving into the wisdom of How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie, a book packed with practical tips to make life a bit more fun. If you are ready to upgrade your people skills, you're in for a treat. So kick back, relax, and let's explore the top 10 lessons from this timeless classic. Lesson 1. The Power of a Smile. Carnegie talks a lot about how a simple smile can make a big difference. It's not just about looking friendly. A genuine smile can actually change the way people feel. Imagine you're meeting someone for the first time, and instead of a serious face, you greet them with a warm smile. It's like a magic trick. Barriers come down, and a positive vibe fills the air. That's the power of a smile, according to Carnegie. But it doesn't stop there. This friendly expression leaves a mark. People remember you not just for what you say or do, but also for how you make them feel. A smile is like a universal language everyone understands, no matter where they're from. So, as you go about your day, don't forget the superpower you have in your grin. It's not just a curve of your lips, it's a tool to make connections, create good vibes, and leave a lasting impression. Keep smiling and watch how it changes the game. Lesson 2. Show genuine interest. This lesson is the secret to building meaningful connections, and Carnegie breaks it down for us. Imagine you're chatting with someone, and instead of just waiting for your turn to talk, you really tune in to what they're saying. That's what showing genuine interest is all about, actively listening and asking about their world. Carnegie explains that when you show sincere curiosity about others, you're not just having a conversation, you're creating a bond. Imagine how good it feels when someone is genuinely interested in your thoughts and experiences. That's the kind of connection Carnegie wants us to foster. So, the next time you're in a conversation, try to be present, ask questions, listen with genuine interest, and watch how it transforms your interactions. It's a simple yet powerful way to build strong, meaningful relationships that go beyond just small talk. Lesson 3. Remember names. Carnegie tells us that remembering names plays a pivotal role in making connections. It's not just a memory exercise. It's a way to show respect and make people feel important. Think about a time when someone remembered your name. It felt good, right? Well, Carnegie believes it's one of the simplest yet most effective ways to leave a positive impression. Now, we know names can sometimes slip our minds, but fear not. Carnegie's got our back. In the book, he shares practical techniques to improve your name recall skills. First up, repeat the person's name during your conversation. It helps reinforce it in your memory. Next, associate the name with something memorable, like a unique feature or a rhyme. And don't forget the power of visualization. Picture the person's name written across their forehead. Remember, it's not just about recalling a bunch of letters, it's about making people feel valued and acknowledged. Lesson 4. Avoid criticism. Carnegie delves deep into why criticism can be counterproductive. He emphasizes that pointing out flaws can create a negative atmosphere, potentially damaging relationships. Instead, he suggests a more constructive approach. According to Carnegie, providing feedback is essential, but it should be done in a way that encourages improvement without causing resentment. This means highlighting areas for growth while also acknowledging the positive aspects of a person's efforts. By focusing on the positive, you create a supportive environment where individuals feel motivated to enhance their skills. Carnegie's approach isn't about ignoring issues, it's about addressing them with tact and empathy. So, the next time you find yourself tempted to criticize, take a moment to consider how you can turn it into constructive feedback. It's a powerful shift that not only helps others improve, but also strengthens your relationships.